I am really excited to show you this video and showcase you this home today. You know, years ago, this was just open desert, just the desert and the coyotes. And now it's grown into something really, really popular. In fact, it's one of the fastest, fun, and exciting areas in Surprise, Arizona. And now it's becoming one of the biggest and most popular shopping and lifestyle hubs in the West Valley. Plus, what's really nice about it, it has easy access to the 303 freeway. Once you hop on that 303 freeway, you can go anywhere throughout the valley, anywhere regarding the other West Valley cities, going down to downtown Phoenix, going to the airport, going to any sporting events. If you want to go clear across on the other side, go to Scottsdale, Chandler, Mesa, Gilbert. Easy access to get over there. If you want shopping nearby, yep, you got shopping nearby. And if you want a Costco, who doesn't want a Costco? Yes, we have a Costco nearby. Plus, regarding schools, yeah, you got schools nearby as well, both public and charter schools. Plus, if you are an outdoor enthusiast, if you're a hiker and a biker and you just love to be outside, you definitely have a lot of that around here too. So stick around, don't go anywhere. We're gonna talk about that later on. And you know what today is? You might guess it. Today's Tuesday Home Deals, Tuesday Home Opportunities. And I've got a really, really nice one for you today. How about I tell you a little bit about where we are? That would probably be a great idea. We're in Surprise, Arizona, in a community. It's called Paradisi, and our builder is Taylor Morrison. And of course, your realtor, me, Mary Kay Marino. I would be so honored to work for you, and I would be so honored to help you. Before we go check out the house, just a reminder, if you want my guide, the do's and don'ts to buying a new build, all you have to do is text the number new, and we'll get that out to you as soon as possible. Before we head into the house, how about I tell you a little bit about the house? That's a good idea as well. It's called the Hudson. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2.5 car garage, a flex room, 2352 square feet. And the savings on this house, how about over $24,000 off the price of the house? Now let's go show you the home. And remember, leave me a comment below about what you're thinking. And now let's go. Alrighty now, so we're standing in front of the Hudson. This is 2352 square feet. It's being modeled as 4 bedrooms, a flex room, 3 bathrooms, and a 2.5 car garage. 2352 square feet, as I said. Even the bird said they like it. Let's go ahead and show you this. Yeah, the bird says definitely buy this one. It says come on in, so let's go ahead and go on in. I think you're gonna like it. It's kind of nice, actually really nice. And you know what I'm going to say, what I always say as soon as I stand in front here, look how wide those hallways are. Wow, that is really nice. So as we walk in, we're going to take a few steps over to the right, circle all the way up to the front, and it's going to bring us to our first front bedroom. 2 nice windows to the front of the house. And we have slider door closets right here. Very, very nice sized room. And then as we back out, right next to that, we have a closet. It's a combo closet, a coat closet and a linen closet. Okay, so that's right next to that room. And then as we go next to that, we have our shared bathroom. We have 1 sink, boo boo boo, but not bad. You know, it's not so bad if you have 1 sink. You know, like I've mentioned before, I was sharing a bathroom with 3 other siblings and only had 1 sink. And so there you go. Nice window right there. Tub shower combination. Give you another look at the vanity. Hello. And as we back out, and right next to it is bedroom number 2. Window to the side of the house. Very nice size. And right here are slider door closets. They have it set up as a craft room, which is kind of nice. My sister would like that actually. So as we back out, I'm going to give you a recap already. Alrighty, so we have front door, front bedroom number 1, coat closet, linen closet, shared bathroom, bedroom number 2. And then here's the hallway. Entryway in from the garage. Look how wide those hallways are. Then as we continue to walk down, and now we're going to turn to the left. We're going to go all the way to the end. This is bedroom number 3, guest bedroom number 3. A nice window to the side. This is the bigger of the 3 in my eyeballs, I believe. I could be wrong, but I think it's a little bit bigger. And then as we back up and out of that, Right next to it is your favorite all-time room. Yay! It has cabinets above and then cabinets and counter on the opposite side, and also a nice sink right there. Again, if you're building from the ground up, that is definitely going to be upgrade and an option to add. If you're going to do a quick move in, the builder may or may not have added that or included that. We will just see. They pick and choose as they go. So behind door number 1, I don't know because it's locked. So there we go. Then we're coming back to the hallway, and now we're going to walk here, and this is the flex room for it. I want to show you the entryway into it. Isn't that nice? I love the entryway. And then right here, nice big window to the side of the house. It's a nice size room as well. Now you can use it as a flex room, an office, a computer room, a game room, or maybe a formal dining room. I mean, whatever you want or need it to be, it's definitely spacious enough for it. And then as we walk past this, this is going to bring us into the main part of the house. The kitchen, the dining, and the family room. It's really, really nice. I want you to just go ahead, take it all in, and enjoy. All right, I'm gonna swing you all the way back into the kitchen. We have this nice size kitchen island. It comfortably seats 4, but if you had a different style stool there, chair, you can probably squeeze in a 5th one if you need it and want it. They have stainless steel appliances. They have a gas stovetop and oven with a microwave right above it. So I wanna show you how long this island is. It's really long, very, very nice. Bring you into the kitchen to show you that as well. Very, very nice. And then you have a little space over there if you wanted to make that your miniature or mini coffee bar area right next to the refrigerator. I'll take you into the pantry so you can kind of take a look at that and see what that looks like. And then here we go. And shelves going all the way, almost all the way up. Pretty good, not too bad. And another look here. That is pretty darn nice. And then I'll give you a look. I'm going to stand in front of the island, in the middle of it. This is the look into your family room, great room area. I'll zoom in for you so you can get a better look. And then back out. And then I'm going to glance over to the left. That's going to be your dining. I'm going to bring you over there so you can get a better look at it and give you another angle. I'm all for giving you angles. You have a lot of windows to bring in the natural light. You have windows to the side, you have your slider glass door, then you have 2 large windows in your dining room area. Very, very nice. I'm gonna walk in here and then I'm gonna look back into the kitchen so that you can see that as well. And remember, if you have any questions about any of the models, any of the floor plans, you're always welcome to reach out to me. That's what I'm here to do, to help you and to work for you. So here is another look into the kitchen. And then I'm going to walk you into the dining room to show you that as well. They have a nice round table with a furniture piece to the left. You could put any size table in there, any shape in there. You would definitely have plenty of room for that as well. Very, very nice. I want to back up so you can see how that looks right there. Very, very nice. I absolutely love it. I love all the space. I love the windows. I love the natural light coming into the home. But we're going to walk past that right now. I'm going to bring you into the primary bedroom. Nice big window out to the backyard. Nice large room. Let me see if I can get another look at it for you. There you go. 2 windows to the side. And then as we walk past that into the bathroom, right here is your water closet. And then right here is your vanity. Look at that. I love the space that's between the 2 sinks. And then another nice thing about this one, it has a makeup vanity right there. You know, some makeup vanities will have it straight across like they have it. Others will have it dip down a little bit so you can sit down in a chair and not have to reach up onto the counter height. So, but either way, it's nice. I have a lot of ladies that reach out to me wanting and needing a space to sit down and put their makeup on. On the opposite side, we have our garden soaker tub and then also the walk-in shower. Very nice. Not bad. Nice big window over there by the tub. And then as we walk past that, it brings us right into the walk-in clothes closet. And of course, like I always say, Taylor Morrison makes great clothes closets. They put the high-low bars in and that extra shelf up on top, which I think is super duper. And there's a spot for purses and shoes, which is great. And then as we walk out, I'll give you another look at the vanity right there. Very, very nice. And another angle over where the tub and shower. And then, hello. I always have to say hello when I have the opportunity. There's another look into the bedroom. And then as we exit this, brings us right out here into the kitchen area. Family room, dining room. And I'm going to bring you outside if they will allow me to. And they do. Alrighty. And again, the lot sizes out here are right around 6,000 square feet. Plenty of room for a pool if you want it, not necessarily to have to build one, because like I said, the HOA does provide it. And I will go over all the HOA amenities here at the very end so you have an idea what they're going to offer and give you a lot of information about this area as well. So they have artificial turf, they have pavers, they have a sitting area over there, they have a fire pit right here, and there you can see the nice covered patio. So a very, very, very nice backyard right here. And that's the look of the back of the house. So I'm going to bring you back inside so that give you a recap on this home. Very nice home. Let me know down in the comments if you like this one. I always welcome comments and feedback. It's always nice to hear other people's opinions. So this is called the Hudson. It is 2352 square feet. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2.5 car garage. However, it is being modeled as, like I said, 4 bedrooms with a flex room, 3 bathrooms, 2.5 car garage. What do you think of this one? Leave me a comment below so I know. Alrighty now, so this is the FYI for you, the home buyer. Always remember, anytime, every time you go into a new build, always remember to bring your realtor. Why? Because the person inside, as nice and sweet as they are, who do they work for? They definitely don't work for you. They work for the builder and they work for the seller. And when you're buying your largest and biggest asset you ever buy in your lifetime, don't you want to make sure the person working for you is only working for you, not for you and the builder, not for you and the seller. That's called exclusive representation. And that's exactly what we'll be doing for you, protecting, guiding, and representing you throughout the whole process, making sure it turns out exactly the way you want it to. So very important here, do not go inside and register. Do not go online and register. Because once you do that, you lose the opportunity to have somebody watching over you, protecting you, and guiding you throughout the whole process. All you have to do is call, text, or email me to get the process started. We're waiting for you. Give us a call. So what'd you think of that house? Absolutely gorgeous. And as a reminder, we're in Surprise, Arizona, in a community. It's called Paradisi, and the builder is Taylor Morrison. The house you just saw is called the Hudson. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2.5 car garage, 2352 square feet, and it also comes with a flex room. The base price of the house is $484,990 if you want to build from the ground up. But like I mentioned earlier, they do have quick move-ins with some really, really great prices. Actually, they have one quick move-in with a fantastic price. Remember I said over $24,000 of savings off the price of the house? Well, yes, it is. The original price was $544,377. Now the price is $519,990. So your savings on the house is $24,347. That's not including the additional savings that we're going to get you. Yes, we don't just take what they give us. We are going to work very hard to keep as many dollar bills in your pocket and not giving it to the seller. They're going to give us some incentives and we're going to ask for more. This quick move-in is going to be ready right around June or July of this year. So if that works for you, fantastic. And remember, it's going to be ready June or July, but don't wait till June or July if this is the one you want. If you want to build from the ground up, you most certainly can do it. They don't have a whole lot of lots left, but if you want to, we can pick out a lot for you. HOA out here is $161 a month, and what exactly do you get? That's a great question. You get a resort-style pool, you get a fitness center, you get a clubhouse, grassy parks, and then of course playgrounds for the kiddos. They have some super spectacular incentives out here as well for the quick move-ins, and I'm going to read it for you. Right now, the incentive on the quick move-in is 3.99% on selected quick move-ins. at the time of this filming. So if you're interested in getting a quick move-in at that 3.99 interest rate, call me as soon as possible so that we can grab it for you and save you all that money as well. If you like this area, but Paradisi and Taylor Morrison just aren't doing it for you, I just recently published another video in Prasada with Fulton Homes. And if you don't like that one, there are other communities in the area as well. I know the communities, I know the areas, I've got the videos, and all you have to do if you really want is to call me, text me, or email me. I'm only a call, text, and email away to helping you. And remember, whether it's new build or whether it's resale, over 20 years of experience doing real estate, we've got your back covered from beginning to end and everything in between. No matter what you want, we've got you covered. And if you'd like a list of homes under $500,000, all you have to do is text the number on the screen, 500, and we'll get that out to you. And just in case you forgot who I am, or maybe you don't know who I am, my name is Mary Kay Marino, and welcome. Hello, Arizona Living and Real Estate. We get calls, texts, emails almost every single day from people just like you looking for help to make a move to Arizona, and we absolutely love it. So whether you live in state, out of state, or even out of the country, that's perfectly fine with us. Because after all, we're here to help serve and support you at the highest level possible. And as far as your time frame, days, minutes, weeks, or even years, that's okay too. Because we're going to make sure your transition and your transaction is smooth and enjoyable all the way across that finish line to home ownership here in Arizona. So don't be bashful and don't be shy. Call me, text me, email me. I would be so honored to help you, and I would be so honored to work for you. So like I always say, until I see you around town next time, show you around town next time, have a marvelous, awesome, incredible day. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.